everyone, it's Megan with EasyIT, here with your Mondays with Megan tech tip. Today I'm going to explain how to block a sender in your Outlook email. So if you're like me and you want to reduce the number of spam emails you get, this is an important trick to know. When you get that spam email, right-click on it, select Junk, and then select Block Sender. It's that easy. I hope this tip is helpful and reduces the number of spam emails in your inbox too. Have a wonderful week, and if you want more information, go to www.easyit.com or shoot me an email at megan@easyit.com or call me directly, 614-339-4986. Have a wonderful week.